Hi, this is Mrs. Gilbert, the reading specialist at Londonderry Elementary School. This video is part of a series about the different animal reading strategies you can use to encourage your child to take action when solving an unknown word. The strategies I'm going to show you are called Stretchy Snake and Chunky Monkey. When a child uses Stretchy Snake, we want him to slowly stretch each letter sound to make the word. Sh, I, p, ship. And when a child uses Chunky Monkey, we want him to break the word into chunks he already knows. At, mat, full, at, flat, spool, at, ter, splatter. Now let's read. What is very long? This is a giraffe. The giraffe has a very... I'm stuck on this word. Can you use Chunky Monkey? Try looking for a chunk you already know. O-N-G, song ong. Ong, long. Good, now reread the sentence. The giraffe has a very long neck. Here is a frog. The frog has very long... I don't know what this word is. Can you use Stretchy Snake? Try stretching out each letter sound to make the base word and then add the suffix s. Okay. L, e, g. Leg, legs. Great job. Now reread the sentence. The frog has very long legs. This is a bird. The bird has a very long beak. Here is an elephant. The elephant has a very long trunk. This is a monkey. The monkey has a very long tail. Here is a rabbit. The rabbit has very long ears. This is a walrus. The walrus has very long... I'm not sure what this says. First, try using Chunky Monkey to help you figure out the word. E, Jeep, E. TH says th. Awesome. Now use Stretchy Snake and stretch each chunk to make the word. T, E, th. Teeth. Terrific. Now reread the sentence. The walrus has very long teeth. Here is a hippopotamus. The hippopotamus has a very long name. And that's how you can encourage your child to use the Stretchy Snake and Chunky Monkey reading strategies to solve unknown words.